it alright if I stay today? Is it alright if I stay today? Take my time far behind, leave my pride. Oh, is it alright if I stay? Is it alright if we just stay today? Is it alright? 'Cause I wish we could just stay. Take our time far behind, leave our pride. Oh, is it alright if we stay? Is it alright if I decide but change my mind? Is that okay? Is it alright if I don't wanna feel obliged in any way? Is it alright if I waste my time and I lead myself to a mistake? When I roll on by, I won't ask why, I'll just accept and walk away.
We're still in the moonlight, it's something sweet. Let it wash over all of me. With you I form my company, forever close to the unknown. There's no doubts and no regret, happy before we get another day to do it all again. Wide. Not gonna miss a thing.
you can't go any further.
Oh no, it's still going. What's going on?
No, there won't be any cars on it, is
it's
it?
closed for maintenance.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but you had to walk up this way.
Yeah. Yeah, no, because the other side's all flooded.
Ah.
You can ring the bell.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll put the drone up a bit later, but
Yeah.
look at it flowing through here.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
It hasn't come up too far, but
Well, it has.
yeah.
It's come up a fair distance. I think that's it for the ferry. They've actually shut down the engines and I think that's it.
Yeah.
All done. Interesting. Yeah, no, they've shut down the engines, so they're going, no, no more. Yeah, but look at it flowing through here, though.
Yeah.
It's cruising through.
Sail on off the radar and venture away from this trouble. It will find you, it's behind you, it always is. Unfold from my mind, I don't want you near. If you killed me with kindness, I'd no longer feel you here. You fall in for someone new. A feathered heart forgets everything that's true. Feels like I've ran into 1,000 shades of blue from holding on to somebody like you're here in every melody that I sing. I'm returning the table. I refuse to let you in. Unfold from my mind, I don't want you near. If you killed me with kindness, I no longer feel you here. You fall into someone new.
pink houses.
Hopefully we can get up.
Ah, there's got to be a little path.
Yeah, Milang West.
We'll find out.
A few moments later.
Go across the crossing.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, so it's open Saturdays, Sundays.
Yeah.
Between 12 to 4. Yeah, okay.
Oh, you get free train rides on Sundays.
A free train ride? I want one. Yeah, I'll catch up with you. They have toilets in a rail card. Cool. Oh well, the wife has found the craft shop. Little library. Wow. Alright, go to the craft shop. Oh, look at that. You have to get Libby one of these.
Yeah.
Look at that. Little booties.
Yeah, they've done it really well, haven't they? Oh, I've got to get that.
What's that?
Granny's kitchen.
What is it?
It's tea, just to wipe your hands.
Oh, is it a tea towel?
Yeah. Which one do you reckon?
What's that? Mango. We don't have mangoes. Oh, you got to get a chicken.
Oh,
Granny's.
But it's blue.
Oh,
That's nice.
we'll get a.
Get that one then?
Well, no, you don't like blue, so this one.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
Yeah.
Or that one.
Oh, but you prefer being called that.
Granny's.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to get that one.
I don't think there's any. Oh, I think you just take it.
I think so. Yeah, you would.
Yeah.
Nothing else?
1 hour later.
Oh, that was cool.
Yeah.
It's good going into a craft shop every now and again.
Yeah. Oh, I thought that was someone.
Someone driving towards us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they said little museum, I think. Oh, that's awesome.
It's over there.
Yeah, I think they do little train rides. Little train comes out. And I think it just goes to the end and comes back.
Yeah.